Because of the consistent turn of events and advocacy of the thoughts of the digital money local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and reasonable arrangements that could further develop client association with crypto. One of these undertakings is the Cosmos organization, and its interior advanced coin Atom Cosmos is an environment comprised of blockchains that can associate with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was confined and couldn't converge with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Moreover, it was hard to accomplish high exchange speed. Nonetheless, Cosmos offers another innovative vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains fill in as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint agreement made by Jae Kwon in 2014. Universe makes a biological system of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. Universe price analysis. Universe is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee connection between them. The organization works on the Tendermint agreement calculation, and the engineers position it as an web of blockchains. On August 18, Atom's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DeFi firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Cosmos designers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Combination of SafeChain, a decentralized trade DEX on Cosmos organization, with the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) convention, permitted to manage exchanges among Cosmos and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, Molecule United States dollar halted the jump on September 14, withdrawing to the past all-time high help level of $32.5, with a few days of combination around the cost region. On September 16, the Cosmos cost made another push higher, laying out a new low top, as bulls were not yet all set any further. Then again, the Atom coin has kept on ascending since August 23. It pushed through a few obstructions before at last breaking out of a transient combination range toward the start of September. The Atom project digital currency swapping scale, hence passed the $40 mark, laying out another unsurpassed greatest cost of $44.42 on September 20. Market predictions. There is a considerable amount of rivalry among projects attempting to settle the collaboration issues between blockchains. Universe's rivals incorporate new companies like Polkadot, Aeon, and Penta. Universe offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks, yet the issue of collaboration between blockchains is as yet pertinent. The answer for it will permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains yet additionally to trade data in full. Consequently, the fate of the venture relies upon its turn of events. It is unsafe to compose a conjecture for the Atom digital money, very much like for some other computerized resource, the crypto market is excessively capricious. Be that as it may, some face challenges and voice their choices. Regardless of whether they match with the truth is another inquiry. Numerous specialists who reason basically and don't face challenges consistently exhort in the event that you put resources into Cosmos, not to an extreme. Also, they help us to remember the way that such ventures ought to be seen as long haul. There will be no easy gain for this situation. What's more, obviously, Atom's possibilities will be impacted not just by the improvement of the actual undertaking, yet additionally by the condition of the cryptographic money market all in all. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The most extreme level that the Atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Cosmos may be around $10.40. IOTA price forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Cosmos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Atom rate they foresee may be around $10.71 in July 2022. It can drop to $10.22 as a base. The greatest worth may be $11.31. August 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the atom cost will be exchanged at $11.14 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cosmos worth to $11.84. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $10.75 in August 2022. Molecule price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Cosmos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $11.58. The most reduced and top atom rates may be $11.20 and $12.29. October 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the atom cost will be around $12.05. In October 2022, the Cosmos cost might drop to at least $11.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $12.87 in October 2022. IOTA price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Cosmos costs, digital currency specialists expect that the atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the determined normal of Cosmos is almost $12.29. December 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Cosmos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the atom cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Universe price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Cosmos will be around $18.42. The greatest expected atom cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Universe price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Cosmos, in 2024, Atom is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $26.03 and $32.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Universe price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Cosmos and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base